Khamsang taring kini tu sekape patingnya lenge sama lol kasih sih ye uncu taring di kenan delta nih lenge sih ye indung kari imbaci pece coba tiru nalan sih roti kari cadi sih bayna sa pemba langaran sih pergi losa cadi yore ani losa langaran sih ki ingke thone samdi kandi cecogu yore di lenge sola taring di nation asam so taring lenge sola samdi cidang mintawa jonga sih lenge sih di kesusun nang mi pim pija gaunyo changmala kari tang nang ni anti yore len sih lenge sih di ke jonga di ke kende bayna taring kini tu mutin siro nang len sih ngan lal lenge sola taring ye uncu ke shawadi nimo sewa brand digire ani lenge sola kisi na auto origin nge to sin share do shela sada di ngote do jran shiro kisi lenge so ngantu channel tol thema thangbo phecho do chagduna Khamsang yemingla kizum CEO ngantu dunda da ba phege thone inji jang kingen dong sumdang yore lenge so phege shinge patam phege thone inji jang de paina inji ngantu channel tol subscribe na rona laso tago jugi Laso lagi nge gelenge sola greeting samdi changma dela shagi indra chik chine nge thema chik lap chongtar ki number do chin lenge so nge jela thema chik kyar dula indra ta thangbo de khari chadi ushi paina wishing you a happy Losar and a year filled with prosperity nipa de khandi chadi ushi paina may the dragon year bring you success happiness and fulfillment Sumpati khandi shupaina happy Losar may this year bring you love peace and joy Shipati khandi shupaina wishing you peace prosperity and success in the year of the dragon Jamati khandi shupaina may the wisdom of the dragon year bring you success prosperity and abundance of joy. Jamadi khandi shubaina happy Losar may your aspirations be realized in the dragon year. Jamadi khandi shubaina sending you warm wishes for a joyful and prosperous Losar. Jamadi khandi shubaina may the blessing of Losars be with you throughout the year. Happy Losar. Jamadi khandi shubaina may your journey be filled with growth and positivity. Jamadila wishing you vibrant and auspicious Losar in the year of the dragon. Jamadila wishing you and your loved ones a joyful Losar celebration and a year filled with success and prosperity. Jamadila may this Losar and the year be a time of renewal and growth for you and your family. Jamadila sending you my warmest wishes for a wonderful Losar and a prosperous year ahead. Jamadila wishing you a bright and beautiful Losar celebration and a year filled with love and joy. Tathamadi khari shubaina here's to a fresh start and a new beginning. Happy Losar to you and your family. Laso lenge ani taring ginyendon dirang zami taring ginyendon lenge chola pentok botok do shung yo nyero chigi yo ma phenge la subscribe nang yu na yinjik subscribe nang ni perona Instagram thola follow nang me paina nge handle dire phagile phene phagile ya follow na rona phagile nge gi inge jangaya da di da de nyendon thundura ga da aya chera khecham puto yo paina phagile shadi gi yolin shei laso lenge dirang zami jmai nyendu na lenge sama kyar tu jegi re chigi yo tiba do lenge sama chapu chini shurona mansung yam de inji jang shurona lo sawa de lenge sama lo chawa lam do yong da TASHI DELEK